Hey you guys, your girl Brittany. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here. So yeah, as you can see, this is I bleached my hair again, and this is the color that I wanted. So first, I'm gonna let y'all know what I use. I'm gonna put a picture up because I don't have it anymore. I'm kind of mad that I didn't do a video because I was like low-key scared it wasn't gonna look right. But yeah, I used the Cream of Nature Ginger Blonde, and it was like, it said 1001 because it has the high lift booster in it. But you already know I did my hair previously before that, like in March. So I still had the color in it. It was the Orange Blaze. So when I put the ginger blonde on it, Bridget, I didn't take no pictures of it, nothing. It looked like a strawberry blonde, and then when I rinsed it out, it looked like this. So I didn't have to like put any more color on it, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. So yeah, this is my hair, and let's not even go this way. It goes that way, but my hair just keeps, it wants to do whatever it wants to do. And these are flexi rods, but some of it is frizzy. Like it's frizzy. I only washed this part of my hair. I didn't wash nothing else since my hair wasn't that dirty with that protective stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna do a makeup video. I'm gonna try to do a makeup video that matches my hair. So yeah, I hope it turns out good. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. I'm like, sorry if you can hear the fan. I didn't feel like cutting it off because my room gets really hot. So I'm gonna use I got 3 palettes out just in case I don't know, I'm just gonna wing it. So I got what brand is this? BH Cosmetics. This is the Trendy in Tokyo palette. Okay. And I'm just gonna focus on the oranges in here. So it's like a few oranges in here. So whatever's right there, and then I got 2 of the Tammy Clark collabs. So I got the Tropical Twilight, and then I got the Carnival. I don't feel like lifting it up because my mirror. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm about to do what I do. I hope I can do it. So I got a vision in my head. So yeah, this is gonna be sped up because I talk too much. So yeah, so if you want to see how my makeup turned out, please continue watching, and also subscribe to my channel if you are new. So yeah, I'm gonna get started so I can shut up. Hey you guys, this is the finished look. I think I did okay. It's cute. It's really cute. I like it. So if you like this makeup look that I created, please let me know down below. And if you're new, please subscribe to my channel and comment and follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram on the screen for y'all so y'all can follow. And yeah, let me know if y'all like my new skunk patch. But anyways, yeah, this is the end of the video. My hair's like, it keeps sticking up right here. But yeah, this is so cute. Okay, bye y'all.